Okay, go ahead.
Okay, this is K4UDX. I'm going to start the control software for the radio. Why isn't this clicking? I hate when you're right there and you want to click something and it won't let you click. Anyway, my processor is currently on. I don't know what my TX BPS, which is kind of like a microphone range control kind of thing. I don't know what it's at. I think it's in the middle, around 200 to 2,000 hertz or something like that. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My processor is on, and it's at where I normally set it at. I don't know where my meter compression is banging over 10% a little bit when I talk a bit louder like that. ALC is, yeah, getting the top of the range, so definitely cranking. KA4UDX. Let me see if I can get this software started and there it goes. If I can mess with the TX BPS control. Alright, what COM port are you on? Am I going to be the wrong COM port? Yeah. COM2, COM1. There's my unplug my USB. This is COM ports on me. KA4UDX testing. Yeah, the TX BPS, which is like an audio setting, I guess. 200 to 2900. It's like right in the middle of the range, but it, every Lux will let me control anyway. KA4UDX. Come on. The logbook has to start up so I can get past that. I just lowered it down to the 100 to 3000, which is the bottom, which is supposed to be more bassy, so I don't know what that does to it. KA4UDX testing 1, 2, 3, 4 at the bottom. That's up 1 to 100 to 2500. That's back to the middle, 200 to 2900. That's back, that's up to the next one, 300 to 2700. And I have 400 to 2600. That's the top end setting. I'm going to set that back to the middle. I'm going to turn my processor off. I can do that on the fly. KA4UDX testing. Processor is now off. KA4UDX testing. That'd be a